Hi, Sue Tanahay again. It's a great summer day, and I want to talk to you about helping your child remember their multiplication facts. And I know that a lot of children with central auditory processing have particular difficulty with remembering their multiplication facts. Other kids also do too, but as a whole, kids need repetition, repetition, repetition. So, a couple game format ways to do that is through games like War with a deck of cards. Okay? So, we're going to play War. Now, I like to use for multiplication facts the ace as 11. For addition and subtraction, it could be a 1. All right? So, you both put your numbers out there. And your child would say 6 times 4 equals 24. Now, whoever put the 6 out would get the pair. And you just keep playing regularly like War. But make sure that you motivate your child to be the one to say the facts on each turn. Another way to do it is with dice. And there's a game that I like. It's called Ambition or Pig. So you have to decide on a goal first. Are you going to play to 500 or to 1,000? With multiplication, I do 1,000. With addition, you can do a couple hundred. It depends on how long you have to play. If you don't have a long amount of time, just play to 100. But you have to have a piece of paper and a pencil handy. Okay, so if I were to roll first, and I rolled a 6 and a 5, 6 times 5 is 30. So I would write 30 on my paper. Now, with ambition, here's the kicker, is that you can either pass the dice to the other player, or you can keep it and see how ambitious you are to get to that agreed upon goal. So I'm going to roll again. But problem is, I rolled double ones, snake eyes. So I lose all my points. So I have to erase all my points. Now, had we gone several turns with double ones, snake eyes, you would lose all your points for the game. If you just get a single one in a roll, you lose only your points for that turn. So, if I rolled a 5 and a 6 and a 4, 6 times 4 is 24, I write that down. I'm going to roll again. Oops, I got a 1. So I erase that 24. So it kind of goes back and forth, but your game switches really fast. Another thing to do is do hopscotch, and you've got write the digits in the squares. You don't have to always do a square. You could do a flower, you could do a truck, you could do a snail, and then divide the snail's shell into little sections. Just make sure you have enough for all the digits. And then you could roll the dice and say, okay, we're going to do 4s. Your child rolls 4s. So now they have to hop out and say to you the facts. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. So they're saying the multiples. But it's really, really, really important that they say each multiplication fact so that they hear it. And then the hopscotch also gives them a way to move around. So you can also, I've made grids on shower curtains and things so they can play inside, kind of like Twister. So you guys have fun with that and make those math tracks strong before school starts. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Leave me comments, leave me suggestions, and ask me any questions. I'll be happy to answer. Talk to you later. Bye.